Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example, so for me it's already open obviously. But in your case, just make sure that whatever you want to capture is visible on the screen. Once it is, hold power key, volume down at the same time. You get this flash along with the pop-up, giving you a long screenshot and share option. And that's one way to capture a screenshot. The other one is with a 3-finger swipe down. So, whoop. Yes, I figured. That's what I'm showing. Try it again. There we go. So once you do so, once it gives you the guide when you're trying to capture a screenshot, which is kind of dumb, then you can say that you got it, and then you can do it again. Now once you have all the screenshots that I've just captured will be then located in the album category right here. So navigate to albums and look for screenshots. You can see there are 3 different ones. I have captured 2. So previous one is from a couple of minutes back. But there we go. Those are the screenshots that I have captured. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.